If you're managing your leads in a spreadsheet, this will save you hours every single week. Spreadsheets work great at first, but they fall apart once you need to remember who you've talked to, what you've said, and when to follow up. So the next step up, if you're a small team, is usually some big enterprise CRM. It takes forever to set up and slowly turns into a second job. So I built something different. It's called SheetFox, a CRM that lives entirely inside a spreadsheet. I pushed Google Sheets to its limits to get every contact, every deal, every note connected in one sheet. It has everything you need to manage your relationships right where your team already works. There's no new apps, no overhead, no friction. Let me show you how it works. Everything starts here in the contacts page, so let's go ahead and enter in some basic info. Say our contact is Evan Larson, me. Company is SheetFox, and my email is evan@sheetfox.io. Now, we can see that the CRM automatically fills in some dropdowns and formatting for us, which is really nice. Now, this section right here is really important. We can actually track multiple deals for a single contact in one spot. And every change we make here is going to go ahead and be synced up in the deals sheet for that deal, right? Now, to create multiple deals, we simply click SheetFox and then create deal. And that's going to go ahead and create a second deal for us where we can edit some fields like the deal name, the amount, the stage, etc. Right? And every change is once again going to be synced up back in the contacts page where we can now see two deals at once. Now we can add notes to a specific deal or contact by clicking a row and then clicking SheetFox add note. Now we could write something like new note and then hit save. Now to view all of our interactions, we click SheetFox view interactions, and this opens a sidebar where we can filter for just contact interactions or a specific deal too. This allows us to really quickly review all of our info for a contact in case we just need a quick refresher or we just want to see all of our history with them. Next, we have the pipeline page, which gives us a Kanban style view of all of our deals so that we can visually see what stages our deals are at. So if we click back to the contacts page and change the deal stage to 1, we'll see it actually update in the pipeline, which is pretty cool. Now the top rows here give us a quick overview of the deals in that stage so that we can see the total deals, total value, and average value per deal. Now in our dashboard, the CRM gives us an overview of everything that's going on. So we can see revenue, our pipeline, some of our activity for the month. Then to the right, we have two graphs which kind of give us a similar overview to the pipeline page. And then below that, we have two graphs showing us how our team's doing. And then lastly, in the bottom left, we have a graph of our monthly revenue, which we can sort by year if we just change the number in the top right here. Finally, we have the settings page. This allows us to fully customize the CRM. So here we can add new team members, we can edit our drop downs and formatting, etc. So let's go ahead and add a new stage. We can call it circle back, and let's give it some new formatting. So let's edit the drop down and we'll change the color to red. Now to actually update the settings, we go ahead and click SheetFox update settings. It takes a little sec to load, but once it does, it'll show us this pop-up. We can just click OK and then go back to this contact sheet, and we can see that every drop down with stages has added our new stage circle back to it. And this really lets you customize everything in your spreadsheet to really fit whatever workflow you're using. And that's SheetFox, all in one clean workflow that keeps your team organized without doing too much. You can check it out for yourself at sheetfox.io. It's a one-time purchase with no recurring subscriptions. That means you pay for it once, you own it forever, and you get access to lifetime updates. And before you go, I'm just getting started with this. More features are on the way to make your workflow even smoother.